Simplify your shopping with a dinner you can do with just 4 ingredients. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. Today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how to turn 4 main ingredients into a nutritious weeknight meal, ready in minutes. This Stove Top Pesto-Veggie Tortellini starts with a package of Hy-Vee frozen cheese tortellini. Cook the pasta according to the directions, then drain it and set it aside. Now get a little olive oil heating up in a skillet. Add Hy-Vee Shortcuts zucchini and summer squash blend to the skillet and let it cook for about 4 minutes until the pieces are nice and tender. Shortcuts are such a great way to do dinner faster. All the prep is done for you, and it's an easy way to incorporate more veggies into your recipes. Once they're done, add the tortellini to the vegetables. Add 1/3 cup of Gustare Vita pesto and give it all a stir. Look for a pesto made with extra virgin olive oil for a heart-healthy way to add more flavor to your tortellini. Now add in 2 cups of half-grape tomatoes, season with a little salt and a little fresh pepper. And dinner is done. Serve it up, and if you want, you can garnish it all with a little shredded Parmesan cheese. This is a great option for a meatless meal. For more Hy-Vee Healthy You recipes, head to HSTV.com and visit Hy-Vee.com/health to connect virtually with your Hy-Vee dietitian today.